The American Revolution and the founding of the United States of America are pivotal events in world history. This period, spanning from 1775 to 1783, was marked by the American colonies' quest for independence from British rule. The American Revolutionary War, the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776, and the subsequent creation of the United States Constitution. Let's explore this significant period in detail. Background and causes of the Revolution. The American Revolution was fueled by a culmination of factors, including political, economic, and ideological tensions between the American colonies and the British government. Key events such as the French and Indian War, the Proclamation of 1763, the Stamp Act, and the Townshend Acts increased colonial dissatisfaction and heightened calls for greater self-governance and representation. Road to Revolution. The road to revolution was paved with acts of resistance and growing discontent among the colonists. From the Boston Tea Party to the battles of Lexington and Concord in 1775, acts of defiance against British authority escalated, leading to the outbreak of armed conflict and the formal beginning of the Revolutionary War. The Declaration of Independence. On July 4, 1776, the Continental Congress adopted the Declaration of Independence, drafted by Thomas Jefferson and influenced by Enlightenment ideals. The document proclaimed the colony's intention to separate from British rule, asserting natural rights, including life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, and outlining grievances against the British government. The Revolutionary War. The Revolutionary War, fought between the American colonies and Great Britain, was a protracted and grueling conflict. The war witnessed iconic battles such as the Battle of Bunker Hill, the Siege of Boston, the Battle of Saratoga, and the Battle of Yorktown. Key figures like George Washington, the commander-in-chief of the Continental Army, played crucial roles in the American cause. Alliance with France and international dimensions. The American Revolution had international dimensions, with the American colonies seeking support from foreign powers. The Treaty of Alliance signed with France in 1778 provided crucial military and financial aid to the American cause, tipping the scales in favor of the revolutionaries. The contributions of foreign volunteers, such as Marquis de Lafayette, also played a significant role in the outcome of the war. Articles of Confederation. During the Revolutionary War, the American colonies operated under the Articles of Confederation, which served as the first constitution of the United States. The Articles established a weak central government, granting significant powers to the states. However, its limitations and flaws soon became apparent, leading to the call for a stronger national government. Creation of the United States Constitution. Recognizing the need for a more effective governing document, delegates from the states convened in Philadelphia in 1787 to draft a new constitution. The United States Constitution established the framework for a federal government, with a system of checks and balances, separation of powers, and provisions for individual rights. The Constitution was ratified in 1788 and remains the supreme law of the land. Bill of Rights and ratification. To address concerns about individual liberties and to secure the support of anti-federalist factions, the Bill of Rights was added to the Constitution in 1791. The Bill of Rights guarantees fundamental rights and freedoms, such as freedom of speech, religion, and the right to a fair trial, and has played a crucial role in shaping American democracy. Legacy and impact. The American Revolution and the founding of the United States had a profound impact on the course of world history. It inspired other independence movements and influenced political ideologies around the globe. The establishment of a republican form of government, the emphasis on individual rights and liberties, and the experiment in self-governance became a model for democratic movements worldwide. Challenges and unresolved issues. The Revolutionary era also had its share of challenges and unresolved issues. Slavery remained a contentious issue, and the contradiction between the ideals of liberty and the institution of slavery would eventually lead to the Civil War. Additionally, the treatment of Native American tribes and the exclusion of women and marginalized groups from full citizenship were challenges that would take time to address. The American Revolution and the founding of the United States represent a defining moment in history. It marked the birth of a new nation built on the principles of liberty, self-governance, and individual rights. Understanding this period provides insights into the struggles, sacrifices, and vision of the founding generation and helps us appreciate the principles that continue to shape the United States today. Please support our channel, Vsauce, by subscribing and liking our videos. For more exciting, informative, and educational videos, please enable bell icon for getting notification when we upload our new videos.